Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe guys. Welcome back. So this is 2014 Ford Escape and I'm gonna show you how we doing the valve cover. Just explain to you. So we take out the top piece here guys, two 10 bolts here and some clips. Take off that piece and then we take off this top piece here accessed by couple number 8 bolts on the top, and then we disconnect the fuel fuel line for the fuel rail, injector lines for here, which is this one. So and then we pull this one up, and then they have some rubbers inside guys, so we don't want to damage the rubbers because we want to get the rubbers. Make sure you have on all 4 rubbers on the injectors. And guys, you can see the oil leak down in there with your plugs. It's very nasty and very stupid design. So Ford, thank you for this design. Make me make money. So these are injector wires for the injectors. I already take this off, but it's no, these wires are for the thing. These are the injector wires here. Whole harness for itself. And guys, we have a couple 10 bolts going right around. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the gasket is like a C. And then we're gonna pop this gasket right off after. So we gotta take out this sensor here. I think this is the cam sensor. Yeah, from the back here to get to that number 10 for the valve cover. So we gotta take out that cam bolt. And yeah guys, and these bolts lock in place. You can't get them out because it's come with the valve cover. Make sure all of these are out. And I think guys, we gotta move this too, because look, it have a bolt under here, number 10. So we gotta take out this solenoid, and that's number 8. So pretty not too bad job guys, but it's just frustrated sometimes these jobs without the tools. So we're gonna pop out that solenoid there. Solenoid out, one little 8 bolt. We put our bolts in the box. We just put it over here so you can remember. So we're gonna shake the solenoid out. Shake left and right and it pop right out. Yeah, it's the VVT solenoid. Put to the side. And then guys, we get our bolt now under here, number 10. So this is our last number 10 here. And we're just gonna take, if you gotta take out the dipstick guys, don't forget rest of the side. And if you get a bar like this, try not to break anything guys. Just kind of look for the end groove here. Like you have a groove here that you just try to tilt. Like you could go on the screw and pull up. So there you go, shaking there guys. We gotta push this aside because we take out the clamps over there. So we just kind of shake this one. Oh guys, and so I think we had a next bolt in the back here. I'm not too sure, but yeah, no bolt here. So we just push this aside because we already take out the screws for this. We loosen it and we push it to the side. You don't need to take that right out. If you don't have to move something guys, don't move it. And then we try to put it in here. Try to squeeze like guys, and I think it's going on the injector. So we're just gonna don't forget, it's very important, we're gonna take the injector and turn it to the side that don't have the valve cover coming up. We turn it to the side. Yeah, so we're gonna turn the injector to the side like this, and we're gonna do the same thing for this one. And we could just pop them right out because I think it's touching on the frame, right? Yeah, so we'll turn the injector to the side And yeah guys, be careful when you turn stuff. You don't want to turn something and break stuff, because breaking stuff is the last of your problem. So we're gonna try this open pliers here. I'm gonna try put it on the injector. And guys, don't put too much pressure on this because you could damage the injector. Try get the grip around the base and spin. Try spin. Okay, so I think we'll leave that one like that. Yeah guys, so that's about it. You shake this one, get those screw out, make sure your two screw in the back out, make sure all these screw loosen to the fullest, and then oh, I think you have a next screw in the back here guys, the same identical one like the one in the front. So we're gonna take out that solenoid. Alright guys, give me 1 second. Right here. Okay guys, and we're gonna take out the screw for solenoid in the back too. And we're gonna try to get the screw out. And the same like this one. And the rest of the screw here. And we're gonna turn it to the left and then pull. Turn it to the left and then pull. Or turn it to the left. If it's kind of hard and stubborn guys, you can put a bar in between and just give it a little snug, and there you go, pop right out. You can leave it on the connection guys, up to you. You don't have to take it out, you could just let it hang, and the number 10 bolt is in back there. So we're gonna take out the bolt and finish this valve cover gasket. And that's about it guys. 2014 valve cover gasket and Ford Escape. So that's the last bolt. Let me take it out there. So now we could probably shake this baby up and out. Be careful with the injector guys. Be very careful with the injectors. You don't want to damage anything. Yeah, so you see guys, it pops right up, comes right out. So this is what we're dealing with. This is the valve cover, and the gasket is leaking very bad. So alright guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and then you don't have to, you could turn the injectors if you want, or you could just leave them alone. Whatever works for you. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's how you do a valve cover, and you just pause the video and play back if you want to see something that you missed. And thank you for subscribing, and thank you for being a part of the team. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Catch you on the next one guys. I'm out.